Hey there, and welcome to Automotive Widgets, your ultimate destination for discovering the best Amazon products for all your automotive needs. Whether you're pimping out your ride, hunting for the coolest gadgets, or just want the top-notch tools for your car, we're here to help. Dive into our expert reviews and let's find that perfect product just for you.
Number 5. Graco Turn To Me 3-in-1 Convertible Car Seat. Introducing the Graco Turn To Me 3-in-1 Convertible Car Seat in Cambridge. This versatile car seat features a rotating seat that allows for easy transition between rear-facing, forward-facing, and high-back booster options, ensuring safety and comfort for your child at every stage of growth. The Graco Turn To Me 3-in-1 Convertible Car Seat is a top choice for parents seeking a long-term solution for their child's car seat needs. Its rotating seat feature makes it incredibly convenient to transition between different modes, ensuring that your child remains comfortable and safe from infancy through their early childhood years. The rear-facing position is perfect for newborns and young toddlers, providing the necessary support and security. As your child grows, the forward-facing option offers more space and comfort, while the high-back booster mode accommodates older children who still require the safety of a car seat. The Cambridge color adds a touch of style to your vehicle's interior. However, it's worth considering the car seat's weight and dimensions, which might be a drawback for some users, especially those with smaller cars. Additionally, the price point may be a concern for budget-conscious parents, but the extended use and multiple features make it a worthwhile investment. Number 4. Evenflow Convertible Car Seat with Quick Clean Cover. Revolve 360 Extend. Rockland Green. The Evenflow Convertible Car Seat with Quick Clean Cover, Revolve 360 Extend, Rockland Green is a versatile and practical choice for parents looking for a reliable car seat. This car seat is designed to provide safety and comfort for your child while making your life easier with its innovative features. The Evenflow Convertible Car Seat with Quick Clean Cover, Revolve 360 Extend, Rockland Green stands out for its innovative features designed to enhance both safety and convenience. The Quick Clean Cover ensures that spills and messes can be easily wiped away, making maintenance a breeze. The 360-degree rotation feature is particularly useful, allowing parents to easily swivel the car seat for effortless loading and unloading of their child. This can be a game changer, especially in tight parking spaces or when dealing with a fussy baby. Another notable feature is the car seat's extended rear-facing capability, which offers additional safety for younger children by allowing them to remain in a safer, rear-facing position for a longer period. The Rockland Green color not only adds a stylish touch to your vehicle, but also ensures that the car seat stands out in terms of aesthetics. However, it's important to consider the weight and size of the car seat, as the 29.6-pound weight and larger dimensions may pose challenges for those with smaller vehicles or those who need to frequently move the car seat between cars. Despite these cons, the Evenflow Convertible Car Seat remains a top choice for parents prioritizing safety, convenience, and style. Number 3. Safety First Grow & Go All-in-One Convertible Car Seat. The Safety First Grow & Go All-in-One Convertible Car Seat is designed to provide ultimate safety and comfort for your child throughout their early years. It is a versatile car seat that can be used in different configurations as your child grows, making it a convenient and long-lasting investment for parents. The Safety First Grow & Go All-in-One Convertible Car Seat is an excellent choice for parents looking for a comprehensive solution for their child's car seat needs. With its ability to transition from a rear-facing car seat for infants to a forward-facing car seat, and finally to a high-back booster seat, it ensures that your child is safely secured at every stage of their growth. The car seat's robust construction and side impact protection offer parents peace of mind, knowing that their little one is well protected during car rides. In addition to its safety features, the Safety First Grow & Go car seat is designed with comfort in mind. The plush padding and soft fabric make long journeys more pleasant for your child. However, it's important to consider the size of the car seat, as it may not be suitable for smaller vehicles. Some parents have noted that the installation process can be tricky at first, but once familiar with the system, adjustments become more manageable. Overall, the safety-first grow-and-go all-in-one convertible car seat is a reliable and versatile option for growing families. Number 2. Graco Forever DLX 4-in-1 Car Seat. The Graco Forever DLX 4-in-1 Car Seat in gray is a versatile car seat that grows with your child, offering 10 years of use from infant to toddler stages. It features multiple modes including rear-facing, forward-facing, and booster modes, ensuring safety, comfort, and convenience throughout your child's development. The Graco Forever DLX 4-in-1 Car Seat is designed to provide a safe and comfortable ride for your child from infancy through the toddler years. The car seat can transition from rear-facing for infants to forward-facing for toddlers, and eventually to a booster seat as your child grows. This long-term usability makes it a valuable investment for parents looking to ensure their child's safety and comfort over many years. One of the standout features of this car seat is its multiple safety features. These include a 5-point harness system, side impact protection, and energy-absorbing foam to provide maximum protection in the event of an accident. Additionally, the comfortable padding and adjustable headrest ensure that your child remains snug and supported during travel. While it is on the heavier side and may not be ideal for smaller cars, the Graco Forever DLX offers unparalleled convenience and peace of mind for parents. Number 1. Graco Slim Fit 3-in-1 Convertible Car Seat. The Graco Slim Fit 3-in-1 Convertible Car Seat is an ultra space-saving design that grows with your child. It is suitable for rear and forward-facing and can be used as a high-back booster seat. The seat includes a 10-position headrest to ensure maximum comfort and safety for your child. The Graco Slim Fit 3-in-1 Convertible Car Seat is designed to offer maximum versatility and comfort for your child. Its 3-in-1 functionality allows it to grow with your child, making it a long-term investment. The ultra space-saving design ensures that it fits well in most vehicles, even when you need to fit multiple car seats. Additionally, the 10-position headrest and superior safety features provide peace of mind for parents. However, the car seat does have some drawbacks. Its heavier weight can make it less convenient to move between vehicles, and the limited color options may not appeal to everyone. Despite these cons, the Graco Slim Fit 3-in-1 Convertible Car Seat remains a highly recommended choice for parents seeking a reliable, versatile, and space-saving car seat solution. Thanks for watching, Selector. If you're interested in the products we featured today, check out the links in the description below. Don't forget to like this video, drop a comment with your thoughts or questions, and subscribe for more amazing Amazon product reviews. See you in the next video.